Drawing Master, Gogo. Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are drawing a most loyal pet. Yes, it's a puppy. First I am drawing his eyes. Now it's time to draw his ears. Now I am drawing his body. It's looking so beautiful. Now draw some outline to make it more beautiful. Now it's time to color it. I am drawing his body with orange color. Now guess which color it is. Yes, it's yellow color. Drawing is almost done. Wow, here is a beautiful puppy. Thank you for watching. See you later again. Love you.